Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix a gray screen or black and white display issue in Windows 11, so let's get started. If your Windows 11 screen has suddenly turned gray, black and white, or lost all of its colors, don't worry. This is a common problem that can happen after changing certain settings, using keyboard shortcuts by mistake, or after a graphics driver issue. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Once Settings opens, select Accessibility from the left-hand menu. Now scroll down and click on Color Filters. If color filters are turned on, go ahead and disable this option. Windows has a grayscale color filter that can accidentally be enabled, causing your entire display to appear black and white. As soon as you turn it off, your screen colors should return to normal. If your display is still gray or black and white, don't worry, there's another fix you can try. Open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager, then open it. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section to see your graphics card. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Next, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your graphics card from the list and click Next to install the driver. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. A restart will allow Windows to apply the changes and reload the graphics driver correctly. After your PC boots back up, check your display again. In most cases, the colors should now be restored and the gray screen issue should be completely fixed. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, make sure to subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, fixes, and troubleshooting guides. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.